Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you another royalty-free website. It's my second favorite out of the three that I'm going to show you in this course, and it is Pixabay.com. So how do we know, again, for sure that these are royalty-free? It says it right there in the front of the website. All images and videos on Pixabay are released free of copyrights under Creative Copyrights CC0. You may download, modify, distribute, and use them royalty-free for anything you'd like, even commercial applications. Attribution is not required. So you don't have to say, oh, I got this from such and such a place and everything else. So it just makes it great for if you're creating a project or anything for your website or blog. You don't have to put underneath there, this is where you got it from. So you can do photos. They got videos. So they have these 4K videos that you can play with and download, which is really cool. You can add these to your website. You can add these to your overlay of your videos. That's really cool about this website. It's a little bit different from that standpoint. Illustrations. So again, there's a different types of pictures here. They're not like those photos where I just showed you in unsplash.com where they're used, where there's like more landscape. Those are more landscapey. You can do some illustrations. So these are like hand sketched. Some of these are used on the computer, obviously generated. And yeah, those are pretty cool. Vector graphics. So you have some graphics here. These are all royalty-free images as well. So you didn't get that as much on Unsplash. So there's more of a variety here on Pixabay. But just wanted to show you this website because it's really cool. And they also have a search feature right here at the top. It's really easy to use. So if we want to search happy again, because we're always happy, what it does do is they do have sponsored images. So don't get confused. Shutterstock has sponsored these, and if you click on this one, you're going to have to pay for this image. So they're going to, hit you up for a username, email, and you have to go to their website and take care of their policies and all that kind of stuff because it obviously has their Shutterstock watermark here. And if you were to put this with the watermark on there, that would not be a good look, and you definitely don't want to do that. So these top ones here with the Shutterstock, I would most likely, unless you really want one of those, you can pay for it obviously, but this course we're moving towards specifically the royalty-free one, so you're gonna have to scroll down, and there again is a large variety. I mean, this one's cool in the sense of if this is something that you're looking for to really highlight being happy and out of a sad place, and it's just instead of maybe using a human, somebody that you don't know, and you're just like, oh, this is a picture that I'm going to put up there. Maybe you wanted this guy, the caveman, the lion. So it's really cool how they do that. And there's more pages as well. So you just click the next page and you can literally scroll through this and keep going for days. It's pretty cool. Now, there will be some categories that honestly, there's not going to be a lot of pictures in. So let me try and pick something here. Let's say snowman, just because we see him. And maybe there is a lot of snowmen. Who really knows? Apparently there is. But there's probably not as many snowmen as there is people that are happy. So if we go to the next page, there might be only, 5 or 6 pages here. And this is obviously a bad example that I'm doing when I'm thinking of it. But as you can see with this website, even if you pick something like a snowman, and that's it. So there's only 4 pages. So that was a pretty good example. There's an incredible amount of images to choose from. If you are trying to put together a Christmas card or something like that, and you want to do a snowman, or maybe you just, it's wintertime and you want to put out a snowman, they have tons of options for you. They got 4 pages worth, and if you can't find one in 4 pages, then maybe try one of the other websites that I'm going to recommend. But I think you understand the point that I'm getting for and going for here is there's a variety of different pictures in almost every single category. And here are all the categories too. They have this really organized for us. Pixabay's really done a nice job with organizing. Okay, so now in this part of the lecture, I want to show you how to actually download and use one of these images and videos. So let's say this first image, this one's for us. We really want to use the flowers here. Really cool image. All you got to do is click on this free download link, and it'll give you 3 different options. Sometimes it'll give you more depending on the image, a large, and then it gives you the dimensions, a medium, and a small. Now, Pixabay will ask you for an email, and I've already uploaded my email, and that's why it's just going right to this. But let's say I wanted a small version, and you can view the picture what it would look like. So that's the smallest version. That's kind of cool. If I wanted to then go to free download again, maybe the large version, I click view, see how much bigger that is. It takes up the whole page, and you can zoom in, zoom out, but it's a much bigger image when it comes out through the file. But if I wanted to do, let's say, the small one, click the small, all I have to do then is just click on the download, and it'll download it for me. It'll go right into my downloads. I can double click it here, and there's the image. So it's really simple, really neat. And what I think was really cool is it gives you related images. So like if it's like, oh, it's a really cool picture of that flower. Ooh, maybe I want this one. Well, I can get this one too. Download for free. And this one only has 2 sizes. So it has a small and a medium version, or an original. So it actually has 3. And let's say, oh, I want that one. And just go ahead and download it, or I can view it again to see how big it is. So it's really user-friendly. It's really simple. And I wanted to make sure that I found some websites for the viewers watching this that you didn't have to hesitate. You didn't have to go, is this an image that I can download? Like, is it safe? Because I know that when I download and use images for my work, I want it to be something that I don't have to think about. I don't have to go, oh, this is an image that is going to get me in trouble down the road if I don't give certain copyright stuff to. And Pixabay does a really good job of organizing that for you, as long as you don't see the Shutterstock thing right in the middle of the photo. Again, and it bumps you to another website anyways, shutterstock.com. So in order to download and do all that kind of stuff, you have to enter your email. And if you're having to do that on Shutterstock, you've gone to the wrong place. You will have to enter an email on Pixabay when you start, but once you do that, you can download all those images for free. So thanks again for watching this video. Hopefully this was very beneficial to you. And just one last thing here too, for any of the graphics, illustrations, or videos, it works the exact same way. So let's say I want this picture of the cruise ship. Go ahead and click on that. I just go to free download, and then depending upon how many megabytes I want it to be and how big of a file I want it to be, and then what if I want it in 1080p, 720p, or a little bit lower SD, I can click on any of these. So this is 1080p. This is the original file, so it's actually twice as big, and I can just download that, and it'll download. And this will take a little bit more time, especially since I did the original version. It's a bigger file. So video files are bigger than picture files, just a little heads up for you. But man, they have some awesome videos here. I look at this cruise ship one shot in 4K, like it's a minute-long video. Like, that's really cool. So if you're a video creator, it's a great place to come to. And then you can just double click on it again, and now I have the video. So thanks again so much for watching this, and I look forward to teaching you one more spot to get some royalty-free images, and I'll see you there.